Okay. You heard of the Birdman of Alcatraz? The birdhouse man at Mount Carmel. Pam said something about wanting a birdhouse, so I said, well, let's build all of them one. G said something about having one up there. So this one is kind of built where the wall was tipping in at the top. And then another one here with the wall tips out at the top. And that's tiny groove, so that. And then, actually this one here is the penthouse suite because this is a 2.5 inch hole with Gary's saw, and these are 2 1/4. So Big Bird can get in that from Sesame Street. Okay, this is June the 8th and having to wear a long sleeve shirt. It's kind of cold, so might as well build birdhouses. Just set that dude in there and get it straight. Put one nail in it. Get it straight. One nail in it. Well, it might not be straight there. Okay, right there, straight. Yeah, stick square in there. Perfect. Nail number 2 over right in place. Then you can just go to town building birdhouses. Okay, with a nice stack of these little tiny groove boards, just turn it over on its side and start putting them dudes together. And just set the top right on the tongue and groove. There she is. I'll need one more side here. Short one piece. All it is cut and she's ready for the roof.